This video is going to explain what a gap down is in the stock market. And I'm going to use this stock chart here to demonstrate it. So this is a stock price chart. It shows the stock price for Advance Auto Parts. The ticker symbol is AAP. And it's a daily chart, meaning that each of these price bars represents one day of price activity. And it's the price activity that occurred during the normal trading hours for the US stock market. And so this bar right here, it's a green bar, which means that the price started right here on the start of this particular day and ended right here. So the price went up during the course of that particular day. Here, the red bar, it's the opposite. It means the price went down. It started here, and by the end of the day, it went down. So each of these bars represents the price activity that occurred during normal hours. Now, sometimes overnight, when the stock market's not open, news or events can take place. Maybe there's a new product launch that gets announced. Maybe there's an earnings announcement for the company. Maybe there's a major global news event of some sort, and it can impact the stock price. And so what can happen is overnight, while the stock market's not open, these pressures can influence where the stock price opens the next day. And that is what causes a gap. So to be clear, by definition, a gap is the change in price from the close of one day to the open of the stock market the next day. And if that change is in the downward direction, then it's called a gap down. And this is a particularly pronounced example here with Advance Auto Parts. You can see the price closed on this date. And if you look down here, this is May the 30th right here. On May the 30th, the price closed at around $112. And the next day, when the stock market opened, the price was way down at $79. So that's an example of a gap down. That's a particularly big one. Gap downs of that magnitude don't occur very often, but they are possible. And anybody who owns a stock or an option and holds it overnight faces that risk, and it's referred to as gap risk. If you ever have questions about the stock market or about gap down situations, you can definitely reach out to us anytime. Our email is support@stockmarketguides.com.